This oatmeal banku or oatmeal swallow fufu, call it whatever you want, was accidentally developed. Everyone, welcome to the channel. If today is the first time here, my name is Yummy Cash. And to my returning subscribers, a warm cozy welcome back to the channel. As I said earlier on, this recipe was accidentally developed, and ever since I developed this recipe, I have never gone back to the old oatmeal banku recipe. You will be amazed and thrilled with the results after 2 or 3 days of keeping this oat banku. So to make the oat swallow, you need some oat flour, and the quantity you want depends on the quantity you want to make. Now, in a blender, add some oats and blend it for 2 or 3 minutes. There are different types of oats out there in the market, but the most common ones are the thinly rolled oats and the thick rolled oats. I'm using both oats in this recipe. Once you're done with the blending, the first thing to do is to remove the blade from the blender, especially if you're using this type of blender. So you should be having something like this. Now, in a clean bowl, pour into it your oat flour. And now once you're done with that, we are going to ferment the oat flour. But before fermentation, we have to add a little bit of water, which will help in the fermentation process. So little by little, I start adding in some warm water. So when I add in the water, I try bringing everything together to form oat dough. So as I said earlier on, I'll be adding the water bit by bit and try to mold the oat flour into getting a nice oatmeal dough. And the consistency of the oat dough doesn't really matter. What matters is do not over add the water and don't let the oat dough be too watery. That is the only thing I would say. Now once I'm done with everything, I'm going to cover it and leave it on the counter for 24 hours or till the next day. And now while fermentation is going on, take that second to subscribe to this channel if you are not, like and share this video. Alright, it's been 24 hours and this is how the dough is looking like. Now when you add a lot of water to it, it will become soft. It won't break like what you are seeing here. As I said, I have made this recipe countless times, and if you are new here, I have been trying to lose some weight, so oatmeal is really helping me in this process. Now when you add water to the oats, it is really difficult to blend or mash it with your hands. So what I normally do is I put it in the blender. That is, I take the amount I want, put it in a blender, add a little bit of water, and then blend it into a smooth running consistency. Then I pour it back into the saucepan and start cooking it. After 5 to 8 minutes, that is what I am having, and it is super soft. Even after 3 days, trust me, it still feels soft. As always, thank you so very much for watching this video, and hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. Until then, cheers.